data type means it's a immutable data type. Immutable means immutable means it is like not change according to the situation and state. So divide into number, string, and boolean, and null and undefined. And next one is that it's non-primary data types. Non-primary data types is divided into array, object, regular expression. We are already like understand or like what is the regular expression and how we can use the regular expression in the HTML. We are discussing these things. So in the JavaScript also we are discussing all these things, how we are using regular expression, and we have to designing a particular login or like register page, and in that we have to restriction a password, like you have the customer is must enter or like client have to must enter that pattern, whatever like pattern we are defining inside that. Like example is like in that if I write a pattern in that, like first letter will be capital, and like whole all that letter will be capital, sorry it's like small, but you need to be mention a number and a one special character in that, and the length of that particular password will be 5 to 10, whatever you have to decide, and after that you have to put that pattern inside that. And next in that you have to restriction that one. If like customer enter a like wrong password or like wrong not follow that pattern, then he like he or she not allowed to like submit the form, or not allowed to log in the form, not allowed to register the form. You have to given that condition by using javascript. Okay, so next thing is non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data we have to discuss like array, object. We need to discuss, and in that array, you know that what is array. In that we have access the value, and we have to insert a value, or you have to like delete a value from that. Okay, so you can do that all these things in the array. We have object. Before that, we have to learn number, string, and boolean, and null and undefined. Okay, so I will open new one. So first thing is number. We have to discuss number. So a number is defining a numerical value. Means you know that number is defining always is the numerical value. Means is a like it follow 1 to 9, whatever numerical value is there. It's follow all these. Okay. So we have like it can be the following type. It's like sign integer, its unsigned integer, and floating point, double, decimal, exponent, and hexadecimal, and octal and binary. So what is that? I will discuss one by one. Wait, I will create new one. Is that inside that? Yeah. So at first we are discussing what is sign integer. First one is sign integer. Integer. Sorry, it's integer. INT. Oh yeah. Example is that we have it's like variable, and in that we if I using like variable name as x, in that if I assigning the particular value minus 10, or like whatever value you want to assigning the particularly you can. Okay, so this is the sign integer. Okay, so we have unsigned integer. Unsigned integer example is that it's like variable inside if I assigning like particular value, it's 5. It's a unsigned integer. There is no sign inside like before that particular value. Okay, so that's why it's a unsigned integer. So next one is that what is that? Floating point. Floating point. Okay, example is that floating point we have like 4 point or 45.36 is a floating point. Okay, you have to write a variable inside that. It's y. You have to assign the particular value inside that. It's like 12.3 T4 or T1. Okay. You have to remember like we have like double and we have decimal point. So when I will write like you have any of the like particularly any of the programming, anyone write two decimal point. After two decimal point, if anyone write, then it will be floating point. Okay. So next thing is four. It's double, DOU double. Okay. So example is that it's like up to two, and it's like if I using another name like variable or let whatever have to use t equal 452.635. Okay, this is my double. So have you observed that what is the difference between our floating point and double? We have using like after decimal point we are using 2 1 3 1, and inside that it's double 635. It's a up to 3 means we are using 3. So you have to understand like this is a double 3. Okay, this one is up to 2. Wait, I will write inside that up to 2. Okay, so 5 1 is decimal decimal. Okay, so decimal example is like uh, let or constant. You can use const r equal r is a naming of the variable. Inside if I write 9 49 point 56849 or 2 3 whatever up to it's 29 up to 29 point. Okay, 29 places or like whatever. This is the places also. It's three places and two places whatever. Two decimal places, three decimal places, and it's like 20 decimal places. Oh, places. Okay. So next thing is six. So six one is exponent. Expo. Example is that we have like variable x equal e3 is a exponent. Exponent is 2 to the power 3. Okay, you have to write as like 2 to the power 2. Okay, let's continue. Okay, I will continue that network. Then I will, if it's disconnected, then I will connect that Redmi. So next is that. Wait, yeah. So inside we have exponent done. Okay, it's 2e3 means 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. It's 2 to the power 2 into 2, 4. 4 into uh, 8. Okay, 2 to the power 3. You have to, if you can like write 5 to the 5 to the power 3 and like 5e3 or like 10 to the power 4, you have to write 10e3 or 10e4 whatever is the exponent. Okay, so next we have hexadecimal, octal, all these things. Hexadecimal, you know that what is the hexadecimal value and octal value and binary value of these things. I don't need to explain again. Okay, so this hexadecimal, and we have octal, and we have binary. Okay, these are the JavaScript number. Okay, so we have like minimum safe integer and maximum safe integer is there. Okay, so I will show you that what is minimum safe integer and maximum safe integer. So before that, if any doubt regarding like sign integer, unsigned integer, floating point and double and decimal and exponent and hexadecimal, octal, binary, you can ask me. I will show you that one like how we can get that all that minimum safe integer and maximum safe integer by using JavaScript. Before that, you if any question you can ask. Visual Studio, yeah. Partha sir, are you there?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yeah. How many interns are seeing your message in the group? Can I know?
Sir, in this group,
Yeah. In this group, how many like you are sending a message like please join the meeting, right? In that, like in the message, how many interns are seeing that message
I will check.
in the group? Yeah,
Yes, sir.
check it. Guys, if you any doubt, like if you not understand anything, you can ask me again. Okay, so don't worry about that. I am available. I already told you that one. Anyone can like call me and text me in that WhatsApp. Okay, if any doubt regarding, yeah. So I will show you that one, minimum 7 digit and maximum 7 digit. Okay.
Sir, 11 students check their message.
Sorry.
11 students.
11, only 11.
Yes, sir. All of the remains are not seeing their message.
Those are joined in that like meeting. Like those intern are seeing your message or other one.
हाँ यस सर विच सर मतलब कि जिसने भी देखा है वो लोग इधर है अभी इस मीटिंग में बाकी दिनों में देखा
मैं
वो
ये बोल रहा हूँ कि आपको जो लोग जैसे कि मैं सीन करे आपका मैसेज, वो लोग ही ज्वाइन किए या दूसरे नहीं ज्वाइन किए अभी तक, राइट?
यस सर
ओके, वो मैसेज सीन नहीं किया अभी तक. हेलो पार्थ सर, कैन यू हियर मी?
हाँ सर मतलब कि जिन्होंने देखा है वही इन्होंने ज्वाइन किया है बाकी सब ने मतलब
Okay, okay, I will
इन्होंने
talk to
देखा
you
और
later in that class. After class I will talk to you. Okay, thank you so much.
यस
So guys, in that we have to discuss like min 7 digit and maximum 7 digit. How we can know that? By using JavaScript. That's it. So it's integer dot HTML. HTML. uh, पार्थ सर,
यस सर
एक बार ग्रुप में मैसेज कर दो कि जो भी क्लास ज्वाइन नहीं करेगा, जिस क्लास कंटिन्यू नहीं करेगा, उनको सर्टिफिकेट नहीं दिया जाएगा इंटर्नशिप का, क्योंकि वो प्रेजेंट नहीं रहेंगे तो सर्टिफिकेट हम कैसे देंगे? कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आएगा बाद में हमको, जैसे कि फिर से हम कुछ सॉल्व नहीं कर सकते। आप एक बार मैसेज कर दीजिए, ओके?
यस सर
क्योंकि जो ऑब्सेंट है उनको तो हम नहीं दे सकते इंटर्नशिप सर्टिफिकेट ना। तो एक बार मैसेज कर दीजिए ग्रुप में कि दोज हु आर नॉट जॉइन इन दैट क्लास एवरी डे, he or she maybe not getting that internship certificate, completion certificate. Okay, thank you so much.
यस ओके
So, guys, let's see. So this one is integer. So what is safe integer and not like maximum safe integer and minimum safe integer? I will show you that one. Okay, so let's see. It's like in that I need to be script. It's a script, and MIME type you have to write. It's type text by JavaScript. Okay, done. So next thing I need to be a function, and function name is any name you can, like int int or integer. It's my function name. Inside I need to be call that function like integer. Okay, done. So at first I need to be write by using variable. It's variable min save. Someone asked me something. Wait, I will check that one. Sir, temperature assignment code. Can you get? Yeah, I will give you assignment to do that. If you facing any difficulty, contact me. I will help you on that. Okay, but in that message, I don't understand what you need. If any difficulty are you facing, please
सर
contact me
वो
personally or call me. That, yeah.
सर एक्चुअली वो टेम्परेचर का मतलब जब मैं सिंटैक्स लिख रही थी थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम आ रहा था. सो आई थॉट कि अगर आप वो सिंटैक्स मतलब कोडिंग वगैरह पार्ट थोड़ा दे देते तो रेफरेंस के लिए आसान हो जाता.
देखो, एक बार मैं ये बता रहा हूँ आपको कि हम अगर किसी का भी कोडिंग लेते, और अगर देखो, मुझे पता नहीं आप जैसे कि देख के करते हो या जैसे कि कॉपी पेस्ट करते हो, ये मुझे पता नहीं कि मैंने जो देखा है, मेरा जो जैसे कि आपको बताऊं कि मेरा लाइव प्रोजेक्ट में एक बंदा था जिसने कि कॉपी पेस्ट कर, जो भी कोडिंग था उनको कॉपी पेस्ट कर रहा था। ये टेक्निकल फील्ड के लिए परफेक्ट नहीं है। अगर मैं तो यहाँ हूँ जैसे कि आपको हेल्प आउट करने के लिए, अगर आपको कोई डिफ़िकल्टी आ रहा है तो मुझे कॉन्टैक्ट कीजिए। अ, मैं आपको सजेशन करूँगा जो भी आपका डिफ़िकल्टी आ रहा है, ओके? अगर नहीं होता, क्योंकि कोड सेंड करने का ये ठीक तरीका नहीं मुझे लगता है, क्योंकि आपको कोड सेंड कर दिया मैंने, आपने कुछ भी नहीं सीखा यहाँ से, तो ये ठीक नहीं होगा। क्योंकि आप इंटर्नशिप जॉइन करे हैं सीखने के लिए, तो हम आपके पास है सिखाने के लिए जो भी आपको नहीं आता है और जो भी डिफ़िकल्टी आता है। तो कॉन्टैक्ट कीजिए, मैं बता दूँगा, बट कोड नहीं सेंड कर सकते, किसी का कोडिंग में आपको सेंड नहीं करना, सॉरी फॉर दैट।
ओके सर.
आपको कोई भी डिफ़िकल्टी आ रहा है मुझे कॉन्टैक्ट कीजिए, मैं आपको ओके, थैंक यू सो मच। So next thing I will add a variable inside that, okay? It's min save, and we have to using number dot min save integer, okay? So that value will be assigned to that min save variable, okay? I need another variable, it's like max save, okay? So I think you might be like the confusing that, like I'm writing in the max in that, yeah, I write in the like capital letter inside that. So basically we call that as a camel case letter, okay? CAMEL, camel case letter, okay? So I need to be number dot max step integer. So we need to be print that min step integer and max step integer by using document dot write, okay? Document dot write. So I will write that some thing inside that. So min save number equal, I need to be like access the particular value by using variable name. That's min save. Okay, done. So next thing I require, what is the issue in that? Yeah, no issue. Okay, document dot write, and I need to be print the maximum save integer. That's maximum save integer number, you can call it, okay? So, max save, okay? So next thing is, let's see, if I want to print that in that next line in the like maximum 7 digit, then I need to be break inside that. So how we are using break, I will show you that one. You need to be if you want to, like fast line will be printing the fast line, next line will be print data, like next line you need to be use break. So by using like double quotation, we are right, it's br, okay? So if I open that one in live server, let's see what happens. So what is the minimum 7 digit and maximum 7 digit? I will show you that one. अंतिमा मैम, आर यू देयर?
Yes, sir.
क्या मैम, आपको क्या हुआ? आप कल भी क्लास ज्वाइन नहीं किया, आज भी लेट ज्वाइन किया, आप कुछ भी जैसे कि आपका एक्सप्रेशन कुछ भी नहीं आया कि हाँ सर कुछ काम रहेगा कि क्लास रहेगा कुछ भी?
सॉरी सर, बट कल मुझे नहीं पता था कि क्लास है और आज भी नहीं लगा था कि क्लास है।
क्यों ऐसा नहीं लगा था आपको? मैंने तो बताया नहीं कि क्लास नहीं होगा।
सर ऐसा लगा कि कल छुट्टी, कल मोहर्रम थी ना, सो आई थॉट कि नेशनल हॉलीडे तो होगा।
ओके ओके, नेशनल। एक बार मैसेज तो देख लो, देख लेते आप क्या कि ग्रुप में
मैं
मैसेज
कल
हुआ या नहीं हुआ,
ट्रेवल
क्योंकि
कर रही थी।
हमारा जैसे कि संडे ही जैसे कि हॉलीडे रहता है, और किसी किसी दिन भी जैसे कि इंडिपेंडेंट आप दिन पता होगा आपका, जैसे कि ये संडे था, बट अगर मंडे था होता तो हॉलीडे नहीं होता। ओके, क्योंकि ये 45 डेज का क्लास होता है, यहाँ में हमको कंप्लीट करने में दिक्कत होता है, क्योंकि बहुत सारा कोर्स रहता है, इसलिए हम कंप्लीट करने में तो आप ज्वाइन करना चाहिए। और एक बार आप पार्थ सर एक बार मैसेज कर दीजिए ग्रुप में कि हॉलीडे नहीं है, हमारा क्लास चलता रहता है, और जो भी जैसे कि अगर कोई हॉलीडे हो या कोई भी इशू हो, जैसे कि नेटवर्क इशू या जैसे कि करंट इशू जो भी होगा, मैंने आपको इन्फॉर्म कर दूंगा ग्रुप में। ओके,
ओके
थैंक
सर,
यू सो
एक्सट्रीमली
मच।
सॉरी
ओके
सर।
ओके, so let's see. Yeah, this is the minimum set integer and maximum set integer. Okay, so means inside the number, like minimum set integer, maximum set integer, we are using the value. Okay, so I hope you understand what is integer and how like types of integer is sign integer, unsigned integer, floating point, double, decimal, and exponent, hexadecimal, octal, and binary. Okay, so next thing I will discuss how we know that like it is a number or it is an integer, it is safe integer or it is a like how we convert like from like parts like integer to float and float to integer, how we can do that. Okay, or string I want to convert that one in that. Okay, so we are using is nan, is nan, nan. So what is that? It returns you if pass value is not a integer, not a number or not a integer, whatever you have to. Okay, okay. So if I using like any of that particular variable inside that this variable a, so if I assigning a like string inside that, I want to check that it's a number or not. Then by using is none, we can do that. Okay, so we have each integer is there, is integer, is integer. So basically, it returns true if past value is not an integer. Okay. If I write like variable a equal to something string inside that, if I check it's a integer or not, then it will be show me true, because I will write inside the variable it's like string. That's why. Okay. So we have if I want to like you want to check that particular safe integer, it's a safe integer or not. So by using is safe integer, we can do that. You have to follow the capital letter and small letter. Okay, safe integer. Okay, so these are the point we have to remember these things, because in that if you're doing any like assignment, then it will be required like if you have to check that it is a number or not, then you have to assign the particularly. Okay, so that's why you need to remember these things. So next we have to go to the string. What is string? You know that like uh, what is that? String means it's a sentence or like word, whatever you have to write inside that. Okay. So basically, string we are like defining by using single quotation and double quotation and backtick. Okay. So string, so it's single quotation and double, and we have backtick. I think you maybe think that what is backtick. Basically, we have if you go to the laptop in the keyboard, we have one. In the previously we have like backtick option is there. like a single quotation, we have backtick is there. I will show you. This is a backtick. Okay, and this is a single quotation. Okay, I will write inside that. It's better. Single quotation and double quotation. It's double quotation, and this one is a single quotation. Okay, so this is the backtick. Sorry, it's backtick. Okay, so this is the backtick, and this is the string, like double quotation and single quotation. So I will show you that one, like how we can define, like define a variable inside that particular value, like string value inside that, and how we can print that one. If I using like something variable, uh, r r is my variable name. Inside, if I write, please follow the step. Okay. If I want to print the string, then I can use like document.type or document.write. And like you want to print that not in pairs, then you have to use console.log, whatever you need. Okay. So if I print r is my variable name. Okay. If you have that one, please follow the step. If I need like in the next line, I will be used inside that break. Okay. BR. Yeah, I need to be used like break in that particularly. I will use last. That's why it's not working. Wait, I'll change that. Side. Yeah. Okay, it's linked in that next line. Okay, if you want to print the string by using like string, you can do that. And I will show in that previous section, like if you like using double quotation. So inside that we cannot use double quotation again. You need to be used like single quotation. I will show you one example. I think keyword is there. I think not keyword. It's JS demo. Oh yeah, not in that. I will show in that previous section like how we can access like inner HTML. Inside that, like I will defining like how we can use the particular like using font inside. If I using color and background color, whatever property inside that, you need to be inside. I will give you example. It's better if you write like font color or like background color or like font size, whatever background size, font size. Okay, so font size 10 pixel, whatever you have to write. You not need to defining that in that double quotation. If you're not using double quotation in the before, if I using double quotation here and I need to be that one, it's not working. It get you getting error inside that. So in that particular situation, you have to use single quotation. Okay. So it's font size. Wait, I will change double font. Okay, I will write again. It's better. Font. It's if you define color, a red, and inside if I close that one, and if I use any content inside that, it's font property. Okay, and if I close that one, it's key, and it's closed. It's a wrong. You're getting error. So you have to write inside a single quotation. Okay, single quotation also. It remove all this like content. So you have to understand these things. All right, inside it's better. So font color like AD or like red, you have to write inside that color. Okay. So what is backtick? Backtick also using for accessing the value, particular value. So how we can access the particular value by using backtick? I will show you that one also. Wait. Okay. So next thing I will show in that. Yeah. If I write new variable or let or whatever, let a equal 20. Okay. If I write as also, it's better. If I write as is my variable name, that is 20, and if I write variable, and variable is like here. If I use year of the particular data part is like 2020. Okay. And in that, if I use message one, inside that I want to print something, or by using like, if I access the particularly, I will show that it's document dot write backtick. In that you have to use dollar sign. Inside you have to write age. Have you observed that 20 is there? Okay. So by using like dollar sign, we are accessing this value. If I need to be using that backtick. Okay. So you may be think that what is the difference between like backtick and like double quotation, single quotation, and why we need to be use that backtick and like in the particular situation and the different situation. So I will show that one also. If I write like inside uh, double quote like dollar inside, if I write here, okay, if I do print in that next line, it's better. Wait, I will change that one. As I'm using class inside that. Okay. So 20, it's done. If I write uh, 20 February, it's 2020. Okay. Have you observed it will work fine? Okay. But if I using like to document dot write, and inside if I using a double quotation, if I write like s, sorry, it's not working. If I need to write s, then I will write the concatenation symbols. It's the plus, and I need to write again. It's in that particularly by using a string slash fav, and next I need to be again using concatenation for that. Okay. Next I will access that here. Okay. If I need to be another one, so I need to be again using string inside that and slash, and this one is the slash. Wait, I will change that one as okay. If you observe that it's printed fine, but how like it's a easy process or it's a easy process? Have you observed that one? It's like in that we are using only like not using any of the particular double quotation. We are defining only that by using like dollar. Okay. So basically, this is the difference between like backtick and double quotation, single quotation. Okay. I hope you understand these things. If any doubt regarding backtick and like double quotation and single quotation, you can ask me. Then you have to go. We need to be define you like what is string manipulation and how we can access the string. Okay, and how we can print the string. Okay, I will show you that one. Before that, if you any doubt regarding like integer and like string, you can ask me. Yeah, I think no doubt. Okay, great. So I will show you how we can particular. I need to be if I write like particular text inside that. If I want to access a particular like index character, then I can access also. I will show that. It's variable. Inside, if I write uh, any of the particular name, it's strg string. Inside, if I write it's JavaScript, JavaScript. If I want to access that, it's a V, only V character, then I need to be access by using charet. What is charet? Means character. Document dot write. You have to use it. I need to be assigned that particular, then I will print that one. It's variable, and inside if I need character, then I will assigning that one. It's strg dot. You have to go to the char at what is the index number of j? It's 0, 1, 2. Okay, I will need to be define two inside that. I need to print that one also. Like you can print directly also, no need to be write anything. If I char maybe after that one b is there. If I using inside that break, then okay, it's b is there. So what is the index number is b? It's 0, 1, 2. If I want like s, so you have to use the particular index number. It's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4. You have to write 4. Okay, s is there. This is you can like manipulate the any of the particular character from string by using character at char. Okay, you have to remember these things. Next we have to discuss if I want to using a string like a particular index number. I will show you that one, then I will you have to understand better. Like, if I using variable char1, inside that is strg dot next we have to string to string. Inside if I write any of the particular index number 2, I print document dot write in that character 1. It's undefined. Wait, I will check what happened. String strn to string. If I using string inside that, let's see. It's not printed something. Okay. Okay, wait, I will check what happened. It's document dot write. In that we are using string. Okay, I will if I use another one, it's welcome to JavaScript. Welcome. I think it will access maybe in that particular string. That's why it's not working. I will check that. Welcome to. It's not working. Okay. So two is that C 0, 1. Okay, okay. It will be printed in the four like index number in the C. So I need to be check that one. What happened? Inside if I using string. Wait. Variable char1. Inside if I using like st uh, rg. Inside if I using particular index 2, it's not printing. Okay. Yeah, there is no error in that, but we are writing. I think it's something wrong code. That's why it's not. I will check and I will let you know in that tomorrow session. Okay. Okay. So you can using by character like char character charet. We have to access any particular value from that. If I write like comma 5, not access the particular. Okay. I will show you in the tomorrow also how we can access like from like initial index number to particular index number. If I want to print that welcome to, so I need to be used like 0 to index number is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. You have to use 9 like initial index number is like 0 and you have to like final index number is 9. So if I using 1 to 0 to 9, then I need to be print that it's not 9 because I you have to count that space also. It's the index number because in that memory it will be counted as the index number. So it will be stored in that memory, and you know that how like a particular variable like a string or like number, how can it store that particular index number. Okay, welcome to. Okay, you have to, if I want to print that one, I can print that one also, no need to worry about that. So anyone have any doubt regarding any of that, like variable and naming variable and like number string, you can ask me. Banu ma'am, hello Banu ma'am, are you there? ओके मैम आपको जो कल कुछ समझ में नहीं आया था जैसे कि लेट कीवर्ड और वेरिएबल कीवर्ड और कांस्टेंट कीवर्ड, अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आया तो कुछ भी यहाँ पे आप मुझे पूछ सकते हैं, मैं बताऊंगा। मे भी आपको ये कोडिंग समझ में नहीं आया होगा क्योंकि मैंने लेट कीवर्ड यूज़ किया है और कांस्टेंट कीवर्ड यूज़ किया है, बट मैंने आपको डिफाइन नहीं किया। अगर कुछ भी डाउट है तो आप मुझे बोलो, मैं आपको समझ दूँ ये क्या है और कैसे यूज़ किया जा रहा है ये वाला। I will try to first, then I will ask you. Okay. Antima ma'am, are you there? Hello, Antima ma'am. Okay. I think she is not there. Okay. What is it called, sir? Okay. Basically, in the coding part, what is the call it, right? But in that, like special character, we can call that a special character. You know that its special character is like at the dot, like hearts, and like we have end symbol. We have what is that? Multiplication, like okay, multiple symbol is there, and bracket. All these things are. This is a special character. Okay, you have to remember this.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, am I audible? Hello, sir.
Can you hear me, guys? Now?
Yes, sir, you are audible. Sir, आपने मेरा नाम लिया था अभी?
हाँ, आपका नाम लिए थी, बट लिए थे, बट आपने नहीं थे आई थिंक मीटिंग में। ओके। तो आपको कोई भी समझ में नहीं आया, जैसे कि आप कल नहीं थे, तो वेरिएबल वगैरह जैसे कि लेट और कांस्टेंट कीवर्ड जैसे भी जो भी समझ में नहीं आया, आप पूछ सकते हैं मुझे, मैं बता दूंगा अभी आपको।
ओके सर। सर बस आपकी एक हेल्प चाहिए, आपने जो भी कल टॉपिक्स पढ़ाए थे बस उनकी अगर लिस्ट मिल जाती तो बहुत अच्छी हेल्प हो जाती।
कल का आपको लिस्ट चाहिए क्या क्या पढ़ाया मैंने, राइट?
यस सर, यस सर।
ओके। मैंने आपको पढ़ाया कि नोट नोट तो मैंने कल दिया था, मैं आपको अगर शो करूँ, वेट आई विल शो दैट वन।
ओके सर।
कीवर्ड पेंडिंग this is the, wait, I will check. सो मैंने पढ़ाया था ये वाला वेरिएबल नेमिंग। सो वेरिएबल नेमिंग में क्या होता है, जैसे कि हमने अगर कुछ कोई भी नेमिंग देते वेरिएबल का, तो यहाँ पे हम जैसे कि कोई फास्ट में नंबर नहीं यूज कर सकते। अगर नंबर भी यूज करते तो हमको अंडरस्कोर दे के यूज करना है। अगर हम अंडरस्कोर नहीं दे के यूज करते तो वो नॉन वैलिड होगा, नॉट ए वैलिड नेमिंग ऑफ दैट वेरिएबल। ओके। एंड
सर
आपने यह देखे होंगे जैसे कि मैंने आपको वेरिएबल नेमिंग ऑलवेज स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द अल्फाबेट अंडरस्कोर, नॉट स्टार्ट विद द नंबर एंड स्पेशल कैरेक्टर। ओके। सो जो भी हम नेमिंग करते वहां पे हम कैमल केस यूज करते। कैमल केस क्या होता है, जैसे कि हमने यहाँ पे एग्जांपल दिया है आपको, टी नेम। अगर यहाँ पे देखो नेम जो
सर हेलो सर